we do fantastic work for everyone out there. We are the only company in the UK where customers can come and they can trust people who are on the board providing service, because our mission here is to help people, to help and solve their problem when they buy a used car, and to stop and put it to the stop millions of wasted money across the UK, where all that money could go to some charities, kids better education, holidays, all led to better decisions, through education, how avoid buying a bad car, and why it is important to have somebody trustful, ethical, to inspect the vehicle. As in a trade, consumer just trusts for some reason, but most of the time used car business is used car business, and you don't have that many rights as you buying a new product. And in a trade, and through the government and through the government agencies, that sort of service of make sure you protect yourself, inspect before you purchase, haven't been promoted in a massive scale, right? Apart from also MOT is a legal requirement, but therefore the consumer is forgotten, and only person or persons who actually benefit in these transactions are traders, because they just take the money from the consumer, not knowing even their backgrounds, how much money they have, and maybe it was the last nickel saved where they spent on this vehicle, which then fails, and then there is no seller anymore, but there's problems for the consumer because seller would not help, and they would just simply flip the company over, and the seller will have nowhere to go. We at the CarExamer, that's our mission. I'm here working day and night to keep this service going, so the more people know about this service. And if you like what we do, please do share our videos, like our videos, follow us, follow us on any social media, YouTube, subscribe. We're here to help, and we have great people. We vet them, we check who they are, make sure they have the right skills, the right tools, the right warranties in place, so they can go out safely to the dealer premises, smaller dealers, private customers, companies, to carry out inspections. We are here for used car buyers because we want the trade to be transparent. And if you feel you need help, you need advice, call us or send us an email or chat with us online on carexamer.com. Thank you.